Well, we got another package. Let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Army Navy Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Army Navy Outdoors. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we can get this open. Okay. Some paper wadding. See a manifest. Let's empty everything out just to make things easier. Okay. So again, these are all from Army Navy Outdoors. Pictures with the descriptions to help identify items, and looks like they highlighted 2 of 2. It's always good, so avoid mix-ups. Similarly on the back page. So let's start off with, if I can find it here. I believe this is it. Ontario Model 4 Strap Cutter Rescue Tool, Surplus Grade 2. Good use condition shows wear. So let's see. Looks pretty new to me, so I am quite satisfied with grade condition 2. But yeah, you can see there, Ontario knife, their logo, the model and part number. Came with the MOLLE sheath. Put that back carefully. Well, there might have been some use on there. There appears to be some residue. It might just be from manufacture. So a little bit of patina on that side there. It might have been worn on some equipment, looking at this part right here, but not a lot of use. So it's pretty cool. So again, Ontario Model 4 Strap Cutter Rescue Tool. Let's see, next up, dive into these 2 big things here. New GI issue double mag ammo pouch Coyote new. So let's go ahead and see if we can open up one of these. You can see up here Spectre brand. Double universal rifle carbine SMG mag pouch MOLLE compatible carbine. Essential equipment line. Information on the back here. Let's look at that for a second. And looks like we use staples on the cardboard to open. Easy to open. Plastic bag. Okay. So you can see here MOLLE. I don't see any manufacturer's tag there. Hook and latch. Hook and latch. You can see retention strap there. And there. And then the actual pouches. So basically what it is 2 pouches in this 1 unit. So set that aside on this side. The double ammo pouches in Coyote. Next up we have a GI issue 1-quart canteen with M1 NBC Cap new. So your typical plastic bottle, your instructions there. It's got that concave profile to help form fit against curved surfaces. This one's a Skillcraft. See the numbering there. 2009, if I'm reading that correctly. And there's your cap. This one's pretty stiff. There you go. typical screw off for easy refill. And barcode on the back. So, GI issue 1-quart canteen with the M1 NBC Cap. Set that over here. Next up should be US issue ACU first aid kit pouch with insert used, and in parentheses kit. So then 2 components would be the military issue MOLLE ACU improved IFAK pouch used, and then with the military IFAK pouch insert used. So that means no components on the inside. You see here how the flaps open with the hook and latch. You have their lettering. The label is really new feeling, but no components inside. Doesn't appear to be any IV hanging strap. And here's the actual compartment, pouch, the grommet at the bottom, MOLLE on the back, labeling on the inside. And we might as well just go ahead and see how that fits, like so. All right. So again, real quick, with the buckle right there, we have is the US issue ACU first aid kit pouch with insert used. Next up, we have Cammenga military phosphorescent Lensatic compass, color olive. I believe this would be this one. Comes with a pouch, the US. 1 Alice clip on the back. Drainage grommet, snap top. Here's your compass with the lanyard underneath the little handle there. And flip up, viewing port. Reticle line on the vertical. Do have the metal, I believe aluminum. This one has, I believe it says 2000 on the side there. And phosphorescent military compass. So that point would glow. Not sure we can pick up anything. It's pretty bright in here. So Cammenga. Fold everything back down. Model 27 NSN number. And it did come with a pouch. And just notice here we do have some instructions, which are always helpful on the fly. Might actually laminate that. It is cardboard, glossy, but lamination might actually give that extra edge of protection on that. Okay, going to page 2, we should have 2 Eagle Industries MBITR radio pocket used. So individual radio pouches. MOLLE labeled there. You see there for the pocket radio. Likewise on this one, labeled there. Buckle. Got the bungee cord. This one, interestingly enough, has just the one side of the hook and latch. So sometimes the whole thing breaks away in 2, but this was the single side. Very interesting. And yep. So these were listed as Eagle Industries MBITR radio pocket used, but I don't actually see that specifically on the labels. So that's kind of interesting. And then continuing to work our way backwards, we had the Cammenga military phosphorescent Lensatic compass, color olive, We also had the US issue ACU first aid kit pouch with insert used, comprising of the military issue MOLLE ACU improved IFAK pouch and the insert. We also have the GI issue 1-quart canteen with M1 NBC Cap. And we had the GI issue double mag ammo pouch, Coyote new. And we had started off originally with the Ontario Model 4 strap cutter rescue tool, surplus grade 2. These all came from Army Navy Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items, Army Navy Outdoors. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.